బయోఫార్మా రూపురేఖలు మారబోతున్నాయని కేంద్ర ఆర్థిక మంత్రి నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ అన్నారు. బడ్జెట్ ప్రవేశపెట్టిన అనంతరం మీడియాతో మాట్లాడిన నిర్మలా సీతారామన్ సెమీ కండక్టర్ మిషన్ వల్ల అనేక ఉపయోగాలు ఉన్నాయన్నారు. పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణకు ఎక్కువ ప్రాధాన్యం ఇచ్చినట్లు తెలిపారు. అరుదైన ఖనిజాలు వెలికితీస్తామన్నారు. టెక్నాలజీ పూర్తి స్థాయిలో సామాన్యుడికి ఉపయోగపడాలన్నారు.
Press conference that we hold with all the secretaries. You've heard the entire budget being presented in the parliament. So as opening remarks, I'll just highlight some of the points which we want to draw your attention to. But subsequently, of course, we'll answer all your questions. All the secretaries are here with me. So this budget being the first one, as the Honorable Prime Minister said 2 days ago, this being the first one for the second quarter of this century, also leading towards Viksit Bharat 2047. We are laying the path and giving a push to the economy to maintain the growth momentum, and for that growth momentum or sustained economic growth which we want to ensure, primarily we are looking at building the ecosystem with structural reforms which will go on. Reforms have been carried out. We are continuing to do the reform activities, so it will continue with an aim to make sure that we create enough environment for improving productivity and making sure employment is generated. Also, technology, 21st century, this century is completely driven by technology. So we will ensure that technology is brought in to benefit the common man, to make sure common man benefits in the sense of ease of doing living, or for his business to prosper, or for farmers for greater productivity or better logistics, whatever. So technology for benefiting every common man, and above all, with all this, inclusive development. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and that is why you heard me bringing in schemes which have good allocations for bringing better health facilities, creating a cadre of people, not cadre in that sense, but a bulk of people who can come in as health workers, paramedics, and so on, and also making sure we are able to provide dignified opportunities for Divyangjan. Mental health has also received a lot of attention. So these are the side for Viksit Bharat and making sure Sabka Vikas hoega. But the idea is the advantage and the momentum that we gained since after COVID by increasing public capital expenditure will continue. We've announced that 12.2 lakh crores are coming through public expenditure this time. It is 4.4% of the GDP. I'd like you all to please notice that, which is the highest, at least in the last 10 years. It could even be highest if you were to take data earlier. No increment in capital expenditure, sustained fashion, has happened ever before. This one marking 4.4% of the GDP. Press conference that we hold with all the secretaries. You've heard the entire budget being presented in the parliament.
Please subscribe to YK TV Network.
Please subscribe to YK TV.
Please watch YK News.
Don't forget to subscribe YK News channel